Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to search on Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to search on Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, simply choose the profile that you use in order to surf the Netflix. And after choosing the profile, this homepage will appear into your Netflix, and you can see this magnifier icon into the top right corner. In order to search, just simply click into that icon and search any of the categories and name of game, shows, movie and any other content. For example, I'm searching this Ultraman into here, and after typing your keyword, just simply click to done and search will be completed. Now you can filter out your search by the top result, binge-worthy anime series, Hollywood action movie, adventure anime and so many more. Just simply keep in mind to enter the search word correctly and then you can easily get your content. By following these very easy steps, you can easily search on Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.